Hello everyone and welcome back to the series. Today we'll see together the different options you have whenever you preview your template in your no-code editor. As usual, we meet in the no-code editor directly. If you do not know where to find it, you have the video on the subject right here to find it from your dashboard. So when we land on the no-code editor, on the top, I have different options of preview that we will cover together. So first, I have an on and off button that I can click to toggle. When I switch it on, I can pass from the name of a variable to the actual information that will be displayed in my email signature. When I switch it on, I can also notice that the email signature that is previewed is mine, and I know that because I am signed in with a specific email address, and it will be these informations that will be retrieved and displayed whenever I preview by default. If you want to display another user's information, you can do it here with user for preview. This selector allows you to preview specifically someone you've chosen. So here, if I say Martin, I can change the user that I am displaying. Now, that is a great way to control if the length of the last name is not problematic. Because here, for example, my email signature has a last name that is pretty short. But if I take one that is longer, is there a problem with the information being sectioned and passed on another line automatically or not? That can be a great way to control it. Here you probably noticed another selector. This selector allows you to choose a specific organization to anticipate the result with different informations. So in the context of our company here, the users have been organized in groups, and these groups have different informations. The first three ones, they are pretty similar. You have the same logo, the same colors. But if we go down, we can see that we have an American version with a different logo, and even more, we have a complete different visual identity guideline with another logo and other colors. So this selector right here is a great way for you to anticipate the result with different informations. That way you can centralize the management of your templates with having just one that is fit for all the different scenarios. Now that you know and understand the different options you have to preview a template, we will see together the other specifics of the editor in the next videos of this series. As usual, if you have any questions or if you encounter any problems, the email address is in the description down below, and I will see you on the next one.